Hello students. As I said on the last class that we are nothing without computer network or internet. It plays a very important role on today's world, especially on such kind of pandemic situation. Our whole world is now in our palm through the computer network. So I think all of us know about the computer network and how we can use it. Just like every other thing, computer network has also some advantages and disadvantages. Let's discuss the advantages and the disadvantages of computer network, both. Here are the advantages of computer network. On a computer network, the software management can be centralized. That means we can load a software on file server and it can be accessed by anyone throughout the same building independently. The resources such as printers, scanners, fax machines, modems can be shared on a common network, which saves our workspace and it also economically fit. That means cost efficient. On a computer network, files can be received or sent rapidly within fraction of a second, and this system is more comfortable than manual data delivery. On a network, we can also able to secure our sensitive files and programs by using password, which helps to avoid copying our programs. We can also access our files remotely from other devices or servers, which helps to improve our device capacity. Not only this, there are many more advantages of computer network. Instead of these advantages, now we are going with the disadvantages of computer network. Here are the disadvantages of computer network. If the server develops a fault, users may not be able to execute their application programs, which occur data loss. If the network stops operating, the computers of that network can't be able to access files and data, thus affecting working of entire data. If the amount of data on a network or network traffic increases, the performance of network degrades unless network is redesigned properly. If large number of computers are connected within a common network, it becomes difficult to manage the network. If the server is hacked or attacked by a virus or someone, the data security of all connected computers is at a risk. So now if you have any questions regarding these contents, you can ask us, and also you implement your thoughts about the topics which are already discussed.